We've got a ridge runner. What do I mean by that? There's a heat ridge off to our west, which is beginning to move in. We're expecting some of the hottest temperatures and highest heat index values that we have seen so far this summer. And over top of it, these thunderstorm complexes that will be tickling some of our northeastern communities. We are under marginal risk. We'll talk more about that, but get you out the door this morning as we start off on the muggy side. Actually, it's a little cooler because we had so much thunderstorm activity yesterday. We'll start off in the low to mid 70s. We'll reach the low 80s by around 10. Look how fast we heat up today. We'll already be in the low 90s at 1 o'clock. We'll top off in the low to mid 90s, and the heat index values will be high too. Let's take a look at those heat index values. Forecast feels like approaching 100 by 11. We actually do have a heat advisory kicking off then, and heat indices then between about 100 and 105 early afternoon, and then kind of hovering around 105. But you do see some showers and storms starting to cool some locations off. Some of us may pass 105 for a brief time. It's a kind of a marginal heat advisory today, I would assess. We're going to kind of hover around 104, 105. Will we have 3 hours of 105 or higher? It's going to be kind of right on the edge, and so the National Weather Service went ahead and just threw the heat advisory across our area. Meantime, we do also have a marginal risk for severe storms. We just talked about that from Homerville to Albany to Weston, eastward. That goes from 6 to 11 p.m. Primary threat will be damaging wind gusts in excess of 60 miles per hour and a 5% chance of flash flooding. That's pretty much area-wide, so we thought we'd get rid of it, but no, we've got it again, and that will last into the evening hours. Again, mostly focused to our east here in Albany, but we cannot rule out some thunderstorms. Rain chance late this afternoon and evening is about 40%. We'll go 88 to 81, and then we'll start off tomorrow at 75. That rain chance is early, generally before midnight. So the heat is on. Again, the last model showed that this complex of storms up here was rolling through our area around 9 to 10 o'clock. So there's a possibility that this could be here. So that's why we have that chance of strong storms and also a chance of some scattered storms as we head into the afternoon and evening. Less rain, more heat is going to be the story for Wednesday, Thursday, and even Friday. Those 3 days will be the hottest consecutive days we have seen this month, with heat indices values over 105, in some cases maybe even over 110. So get ready to get super sweaty and take it easy outside. Rain chance again down to 30% Wednesday and Thursday. Highs in the mid 90s, upper 90s even possible on Thursday. Then we'll start to build the rain chances back Friday and Saturday. 40% on Friday, 50% Saturday. That begins to knock those afternoon temperatures back into the mid 90s, but very muggy in the morning, mid to upper 70s. So forecast highs, we know where they're going to be. Where do those heat index values go? Maximing out today at 105. 109 Wednesday, definitely heat advisory Wednesday and Thursday and Friday, 111, 109. Alert days because of that. And then Saturday, we're close to a heat advisory, much like today, but again, with better rain chances, we should see these heat index numbers come down just a bit. We're going to talk tropics because we do have a system out there east of the Windward Islands that also has a very good chance of development. Where will it go? We'll take a look at that and the rest of your forecast on Today in Georgia from 5 to 7 a.m. Of course, we'll see you then.